So good morning, one and all present here. Today we are going to present our PPT on project what we have done. So now let's have a look on index. So first of all, we will talk about the operating system and its functionalities, then the problem statement and the functionalities of and requirements of our project, then the modules and interface, and at last we will talk about the future scope. So let us know what is an operating system. Operating system is a system software which manages the system hardware and software. It also provides some common services like uh, like memory management, resource management, and others. So now let's have a look on what are the functions of an operating system. The resource management. Resource management is an dynamic allocation and deallocation by the operating system. The process management, which it manages all the running process of a system. The storage management, the it management it manages the data store equipment, and the memory management and the security and privacy. Now let's talk what is the problem statement. Our objective is to create an OS simulator, and OS simulator which performs the basic functions of a real operating system. So now let's talk what are the functionalities of our project. So basically the process management, the round robin algorithm, which is an preemptive process, and it gives in a result of turnaround time and waiting time by the uh, bus time and the awaiting time. And next is CPU scheduling. CPU scheduling is one of the core process which manages the data and the raw which manages the data. Then the next is allocation and deallocation of memory. So the allocation and allocation of a memory, it stores the data on the disk and how it decides how the data flow. Next is job synchronization. Job synchronization is that two process which are sharing the same resource. For an example, we have talked in our PPT the example of bank with this deposit and withdraw system. Now let's talk what are the project requirement. Basically, our all project is done in Python ID, and for the work of Python ID, we use PyCharm as it gives a better platform to work on, and the basic Python libraries which enhances our project. So here are the modules of our project. The first module you can see here, it is round robin algorithm. Here it takes some arrival time, burst time, and the time quantum, and in result it gives the turnaround time and waiting time. Images of the next images of time best fit algorithm. The best fit algorithm is used in allocation is used because it gives the in result of least internal fragmentation. So it takes the it gives the result as process number, process size, and block number. Now here is an example of our interface, which is round robin algorithm, which clearly asks the number of processes, where we enter the first process, the arrival time of process, the burst time of process, and basically the number of process we will give, and according to that we can get enter the all the details. Then we enter the time quantum, and after enter when we enter the time quantum, we get the uh, original burst time, the completion time, and the turnaround time and waiting time. So let us talk about the future scope. This project can be used in various functions of operating system and for demonstration of operating system working, and it can be used for teaching of Q data structure, as we have used the round robin algorithm. uh, we have done our project without round robin algorithm with the help of Q only. So, and making it more user friendly, we can relate with other some softwares, and we can add some other libraries so that it can improvise our project better. So here we end our PPT. Thank you for listening and attention. कितना मिनट का बस था?